Hello friends, here you can find videos of a Ukrainian educator in Austria. In this video we will discuss two principles on which the successful IKEA business that we visited in Vienna recently is built. Firstly, this huge store is a labyrinth of rooms with furniture. You will never find what you are looking for quickly because the doors on wheels are constantly moving. The location of the rooms is easily changed. The pieces of furniture are regularly rearranged. You will find toys and pillows in different parts of the store, so you can see everything from a different angle. The second point is the principle of assemble it yourself, and you will love this furniture. And you have to go to the warehouse to take all the necessary parts to assemble a table or a bed, and how to find the details for yourself. There are two numbers, a row and a place. First you look for a row, then a place, and put the furniture parts on the card.